On last week's video of Onboard Lifestyle, the crew hunkered down in Puerto Don Juan and rode out Hurricane K at anchor. It was a memorable experience that each crew member navigated the situation in their own way.
This is the closest point K is to us, so that's what we're feeling these huge shifts right now.
Now that the storm has passed, let's put basic back together and continue our exploration of the Sea of Cortez.
Wish that I could stay, wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind, and though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night.
The fleet in Don Juan was anxious to leave after being locked down during K for about a week. There was talk over the VHF for a survivors party at the Lamona anchorage this evening, which is just a short distance from here. But first, we need a fish, so I sent Teal and Emma out to catch something.
Yeah, this one feels like a little guy. What is it? Oh no! Oh, it's a Sierra! Oh no!
Oh no! Shoot!
I think it might have been a barracuda actually.
Oh.
That was a nice fish. He's right there, right below us too. Just see him down there.
There he is.
Okay, here we go. What do you think we got?
I don't know.
Triggerfish? Grouper? Ooh, fighting a little. What is it? Triggerfish.
Hey, buddy.
Put it in the bucket. Okay, ceviche tonight. Best friend.
That is our best friend for sure.
Goodbye, Don Juan. You did us well. Hopefully, we won't be back for the same reason. We'll just come back to visit.
We have now been in Lamona for a few days. So after Hurricane K, we left Don Juan and headed over here just to decompress and do a little celebrating. There was about 20 boats that joined us here in Lamona, and we had an amazing survivors party. So that was just a good chance for everybody to just get off the boat and just kind of celebrate what we all went through. It's quite an experience for sure.
Well, here we are, Lamona.
Lamona dropped the anchor, and it is time for a cruiser's beach party.
Sundowners on the cruiser beach. There's about 15 boats in here now.
Yeah.
Looks like everybody's migrating from Don Juan over here. But Emma has a couple of friends here, so she'll have fun on the beach.
Definitely. It's called the Cruiser's Beach because you can only get there by dinghy. A cruiser's party was just what everyone needed after Hurricane K. We were all in the mood to celebrate and relax in each other's company. Every boat brought something to share with the fleet, and so there was more than enough delicious food to go around. Did I mention how good my mom's ceviche was? I was especially excited to meet up with my friends again. We all had a great time, and the party went well after the sun set.
And since then, it's just been kind of quiet. We've all been kind of putting our boats back together, putting our sails back. The only downside of stripping everything down is putting it back up again. Like you have the adrenaline of a hurricane, an upcoming hurricane. So everybody's pumped. Now that the hurricane's over,
You want to relax.
you want to relax, but we still got to put our sails up. Yesterday, it wouldn't call for any wind, but there was, and I was like, let's pull up a sail, and we didn't have sails.
We will
In a couple hours.
a couple hours. Well, at least one. Let's do one today, one tomorrow. Let's not kill ourselves.
Just kind of have nothing to do, basically. It's just, it's been nice.
Come here, little guy. Come here. Sorry, buddy. Come here. Come here. Gotta get you on here. Okay. Got you in the wing. Hang on. Come here, buddy. Come on. It's wrapped around you. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down and help you out, okay, buddy? You okay, buddy? I know that hurt, okay? But you're good. Of course, I'm not.
But now it's time for us to head out. A couple of the boats have left already, and we actually had a really nice boat that you guys might know about that came in just yesterday, and that's Delos.
Everybody's honking.
So it was really surreal to see them come in after seeing them for so many years, and we had a great night. We invited Brian and Karen and Sierra over for dinners. So I got to treat them to a dinner, and we got to taste some of their famous moonshine. Just a great time. At this point, we're gonna just go over to the village and see if we can reprovision for a couple of fresh produce, or just picking up whatever, so then we can head out to the islands. There's so many places to see here, and they're literally 5 to 10 mile hops, so it's gonna be great. I am determined this year though to see some whale sharks, so I'm gonna be on the hunt for them. They are in this area actually, so it's they're here. I can feel it.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
Grocery run and garbage. It has been
2 weeks?
over 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So it's time for us to get rid of this baby and yeah, get some more food. Okay, Teal just dropped off garbage. Had a nice guy who was just picking it up in a wheelbarrow. Hola, buenos dias. Basura? Oh, okay, gracias. And gave him a couple pesos. And now we are off to find the grocery store. There's 2 in town, and one has eggs, we heard, and the veggies are a little bit better. And then the other one has all the cheeses and everything that's refrigerated they have. So
They're on opposite sides.
sides of town. So we'll do a little run, call Teal and have him pick up the eggs and produce, and then we'll go back to the other store. Such a quiet town. I think that they just got power back a few days ago after the hurricane, so that's a good sign. Everyone's cleaning everything up and business as usual. Okay, so first store is down. One thing that we have to be careful about is that their credit card machine is not working. So we really do have to think about our purchases until those are up and going, because we only carry so much cash on board with us, and there is no ATM machines here. So we got to be really careful. We got another month up here, and if we run out of cash, we're in big trouble.
So the girls ran into the village here to get some fresh produce. I think we're doing pretty good on everything else. Just the produce doesn't last that long in this warm temperature, so about 2 weeks is about the limit. We'll see what they found. It's a cute little town. You know, we've been all morning having these whale sharks around the boat. It's been quite the spectacle. We now can cross that off our bucket list. That's one thing we wanted to see, and they're plentiful here. There's 3 or 4 just in the anchorage alone. It's impressive. I'll pick up the pace here. I'm trying to keep it down just in case there's any whale sharks in the anchorage. Right now, I don't see any in front of me. They've all kind of migrated to that side of the bay right now, but we'll still keep an eye out. Well, any fresh produce?
No.
No?
No. It was really abysmal, and then we went to the other market, and their cooler or their freezer or fridge died.
Oh no, so everything's on sale.
No, everything looks like it's done.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. With Hurricane K behind us, it sure feels good to get back in the cruising mode. A special thanks goes out to our amazing patrons, whose support makes these videos possible. Join our crew if you can. Come back next week as we explore a few anchorages around the Bay of LA before Basic continues to push north. See you then!